thing. Would you prefer writing on a computer or feeling a little bit nostalgic on a typewriter?
Computer. Always computer.
Always computer? Always computer. Okay. Okay, I think we're done. Thank you very much, Ori. I really appreciate you coming in today and talking about these things. It was a pleasure for me to host you at any point. Okay, each and every point of it. Even if sometimes I hear things that are uncomfortable for me, but this is just the way life goes.
Yeah,
it just is.
Well, thank you for the opportunity to make you uncomfortable.
Oh, thank you very much for making me uncomfortable. It's nice. It's a nice feeling. Yes, so if you're interested in, if they're interested in reading your essays or your book, where do people should go?
Well, I have some, political writing that you can Google. I've written some op-eds, but, my unpublished writing is obviously not for circulation yet, but I'm hoping within a year or so it will.
Okay. So, where could they find your like other than Google, where could they find specifically your writings, your political writings?
I've published pieces in the Forward. I published a piece in Moment magazine. I've published in Haaretz. I haven't published anything recently because I've been putting all my time and energy into the book. But those are the main places that I've published.
Thank you very much. If you enjoyed today, and even if you didn't, you can share, subscribe, or comment. Keep up liking. We have more and more views lately than subscribing, and it's fun to host other people and just not making always nonsense with my brother. Next week, as we said, we have a special guest that's going to talk to us about the Ukrainian-Russian war. Should be wonderful. We have other guests coming in. We have a doctor of linguistics next, and it's going to come in. And we have a science teacher that is going to come in very soon. So it's going to be very lovely and very nice. Thank you very much, Dr. Weisberg. And I hope to hear from you soon and see how this book develops. I will read it when it comes out, definitely.
Thank you.
Definitely.
Thank you for the time.
No worries. Thank you for your time too, definitely.
Okay. Be well.
Okay. Be well.